Hello again, this is your cameraman Daniel for this third today's video, and right now it's about 8:45 and it's like August 8th, 2023. It's getting kind of windy out there. It's not supposed to be getting windy around by early August. It's supposed to get hot in around early August originally. Like we had that last year, it was pretty hot, like just like the oven. And then now I'm going to show you what they're doing. Hope they have the gold carts in there that I showed you about that 2 weeks ago. And here it is. And look at this. Now it's nothing in there. You believe this? I couldn't swear there was gold carts in there. They put up like a new floor and everything. Looks so deserted. Yep. Truck is still there. Yeah. Someone's in there. Yep. So that's about it for this third update today, and I'll see you a little later for more updates about this. And please try to comment and subscribe to ring the bell if you like this video or not. Until then, your cameraman Daniel signing off, and I'll see you later for more updates. Later and chill.